Alright, so in this haircut we are going to do a graduated layered haircut. So the very first thing you can see is I'm graduating the back right now. I'm taking 45-degree angle sections, aiming, I should say holding, not aiming, holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle and keeping the hair longer at the occipital bone, getting shorter at the neck. Now, the sides we're going to make more wispy, more layered. We don't want it to be as blunt. And so once we finish the graduation, then we will go ahead and establish the outline for the sides, but then we're going to layer the sides so the sides have a more softer outline versus a more stronger of an outline, if that makes sense. And if it doesn't make sense, stay tuned because we will get to that section shortly. And then when we get to that section, I'll explain more about what I mean at that time. All right, so continuing to take these 45-degree angle sections. Again, you can see right there, holding my fingers longer at the occipital bone, angling, I should say, holding my fingers in a way that I'm angling longer at the occipital bone and shorter as we get to the neck area. So I'm going to continue doing this on the right side. Once we're done with the right side, we'll go ahead and do the left side. Alright, so as you can see now, we are incorporating the right side of the haircut. So the graduation right there in the back is going to start to flow to the outline on the sides. For now, we're going to cut the sides blunt just because we want to establish the length. But once the length has been cut in, we're going to go through after it's dry and layer it up. So that way, we have more of a wispy, kind of chunky outline versus a precision, strong outline. Alright, so we've just completed the right side. It is now time to do the left side. So again, not a whole lot to explain here that's different from the other side. Taking 45-degree angled sections, basically holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle, leaving the hair longer at the occipital bone, sitting the fingers in nice and tight towards the neck so it's shorter. We want to get that graduation nice and tight there at the neck area, and then slowly work our way up the head so that it flows and blends into the side outline. Alright, so taking the last section on the left side, and then we're going to blow dry the hair and go through and layer it a little bit more. Alright, so now the hair is all dry, and as you can see, we're going through and layering the top, which gives it a softer outline look. You can see the graduation sitting nice and tight at the neck, building that graduated weight at the occipital bone, and you can see that the sides have a lightness to them. Right there, you can see it's got a more lightness to them versus a strong precision outline. We wanted something softer, so that's why we layered the sides. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much again for watching.